Hey there, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at 4 easy ways to check the current Magento version. 1. Use a web browser. First, you can simply use your web browser. Just add the command /Magento_version to the end of your site URL, and your current version will be displayed. 2. Magento Admin Panel. Log into your Magento Admin Panel to check the software version. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner of the page and look for the Magento logo. Hover over it, and a pop-up will display your Magento version number. 3. Using the CLI. Another option is to use the command line interface. Add the following command, php bin magento version in the command prompt. 4. Check the composer.json file. You can also check the composer, a JSON file in your Magento installation directory for the version details. The file is located in the root directory of your Magento installation. Open the file and look for the version field. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you can easily check your Magento version and stay up to date. Upgrading to the latest Magento version ensures your website runs smoothly and enhances the shopping experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Check out our blog for more insights. All links can be found in video description.